I take a present?
Yep, you can take a present. Which present do you want?
I want that one.
Okay, that's from Grammy and Pappy. Come over here and open it.
What's open, Mommy?
Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
What's that, Mommy?
What is it?
Nano Fab.
Look at that.
Nano Fab. It says Night Night Queen and Sally.
Yes, Night Night Queen and Sally. What's the other one? There's two of them there. Are they
Two.
taped together?
Yep. Mama, I take another present.
Here, let me see that present.
Okay. Thank you.
Scoot over.
Look, Mommy.
Look, who is it?
This is an Gordon.
No, who is it?
Gordon.
Edward.
Sister.
Spencer and Gordon.
I get another present,
Okay,
Mommy.
we'll get another present.
What present to us, Mama?
I don't know, which one you think you want to get?
I want that one.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. So what's that?
Turn this way.
It's going.
Keep going. Good job.
Dad!
Look at that.
Let's move that. Bob!
Okay.
It's two of them, Mommy.
Okay.
It's two of them.
Two of them.
Yep. What do you want, Mama?
I don't know, which one do you want to start with?
I want that one.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. So what's that?
Thank you.
Going.
Keep going.
What's that, Mommy?
Look.
Hero.
Look, it's Patchwork Hero. Ferdinand. And Belle.
Oh. What's that?
Just that.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Keep going. Look at that. Lots of sidewalk chalk. We'll have fun with that in the spring, won't we? That's from Grammy and Pappy.
Yeah. Another. Keep going. What's that, Mommy? That's no rat.
Open the box.
Look!
Look!
Mama,
Those are cool pajamas.
Mama,
Look,
I
Taylor.
didn't present.
Okay.
Look, Mommy, 2 presents. We got 3
Nice.
presents. Mommy.
Nice and warm PJs.
Sweet. Mama, that's 3 presents.
Careful.
Mommy, we got 3.
Okay.
I got 3 presents.
You do have 3 presents.
Oops.
I dropped my phone, didn't
Hello.
Thank you. Oops.
Mommy, look! What? Oh, Mommy. What you want? What you want, Mommy?
Which one?
I want little.
There is the little one.
Yep. There's no
Thank you.
Keep going. Mama said keep going.
Keep going. Although I think you know about keep going.
Look at that.
Let's see, they're all taped together. Let's separate them.
Look, Mama, salty.
Yeah, salty. And look, a key car. Salty. Go right here.
Ahoy there, me hearty. I have an important delivery waiting.
I get it out. Mommy, look.
Okay.
I am big present.
Yeah, big present.
They know it.
This way. This way.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Look at that.
Look at that. It shoots and ladders. That's a fun game.
Ooh.
Cool. See, you climb up ladders and you slide down the chute.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay. Night Night Queen back paint.
Yep, Mama, please, my friend.
Is he your friend?
Yep.
It wasn't such a smart idea, was it? Look, Caleb, here we go.
Look! Look, Mommy.
What are they?
They're socks.
They're socks, aren't they? They're
Look. Good.
shirts. Do you want to see how many shirts?
Oh, I...
Look. There's cars and trees.
I'll get them now, Mommy.
Okay. We'll look at your shirts later.
Bring that over here.
I'm so pleasant, Mommy.
That one I think is Daddy. Can you give that one to Daddy?
Thank
That
you,
one's
son.
from- Caleb, that one's from you. And that one's for Daddy. That one's for Daddy.
Flashlights.
Why?
Give that to Daddy.
Thank you. Can you open it up for me?
Oh, I...
Here, I need some help with
That
that
one's for
one.
Daddy too.
Can you open that up for me?
You gonna open this one up for Daddy?
Open it up. Ooh.
Wow! Look, Mommy, look.
A new clock.
Yep.
How did you know, honey?
Mommy, I opened the present. Look. Box.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Daddy gets a clock.
Truckers with Christ.
Mommy, go open the present.
But I know where you got that one. It's the 240.
You like it, Mommy?
There's a bag over there for Daddy too. Do you see the bag with all the stockings?
Look, Mommy.
That one's from Santa.
Mommy, look, this present.
It's a big present.
Let's open the present, Mommy. Mommy, keep going.
Keep going.
What's that?
Keep playing. Oh my God, what is that? That's a drum set.
No! Santa, I'll get even with you.
It's just a little drum set.
Look, Mommy. Look.
Although it does have a cymbal.
Mommy, what is
That's from Grammy and Pappy.
it?
It's a big one.
Let's open it, Mommy.
Oh, it's got wheels. Look at that. It's a
Wow.
car carrier.
That's going to be his favorite toy.
Just look at his
What's
face.
another present, Mama?
Look, it's got a cone.
Wow, that's nice.
Right? That is really nice. That one's for Grammy and Pappy too.
Oh, man. Good, you didn't have a dump truck to go with that, huh?
Look at that, Mommy. Look.
here's your theme. You looking for the theme? Right there it is. Turn it over. So big you can hardly get your arms around it. Throw the towel away. What is it?
Dump truck.
A dump truck.
Open the dump truck, Mommy.
This one he wants to get out. Open the dump truck?
Okay.
Figure out how to get it open. I need a knife.
Knife? What's that?
Knife? That's not a knife.
Is that a knife?
Open it,
Is that a
honey.
nice one?
Yep. I get another present, Mommy.
You gonna get another one?
I get another one. Lock of that, Mama. Present.
You got another present?
Yep. And then I open
Ooh.
He went to Jared.
That is beautiful. Thank you.
Turn around.
They're beautiful.
I've got good taste, huh?
You do.
Match or Hot Wheels.
Look at that, Mommy.
Look at that.
Cars.
Car.
Oh, Grandma, race cars. You like cars, Mommy?
Yeah, race car.
Turn around so we can see him.
Here, show Daddy.
I got race cars.
Nice.
Thanks, Dad. Mama, here.
Thank you.
Mama, I'll get another present.
Okay.
What's the present? Mama, where'd the present go?
Do you see any more?
Yep. I see the present too.
Thank you. Can you help me?
Alright.
Oh, look at that. What are those things, Caleb?
Stop.
Socks. Yep. Socks.
There's 2 more presents, 3 more presents over there. See them under the tree?
Yep.
What's it doing?
To right.
See what's in it?
Look, Mommy.
Look. They're pajamas. Let's see what pajamas are. Look. Moose.
Oh,
Look. Duck Dynasty.
there's safety. Right.
You did.
It's open, Mama.
Okay.
Turn around.
Turn around so Daddy can see you.
What'd you get, Caleb? What's that? Wow, look at that. Good.
my goodness, that's a heavy load.
Mama, it's all gone.
It's all gone? Are those the last presents? Put them up here.
Look.
These are the ones we got to do tape to.
All right.
There you go. That one's ready for you.
What, Mama? What? What? What's that, Mama?
Underwear.
Look, Thomas!
Yeah, Thomas underwear. Here's this one.
Do you see, Mommy?
Let me do this one. Let me get this one down for you.
What, Mommy? What? Look at that, Mommy.
What are they? Look. Race car and puppies.
Puppy.
And let's do this one.
Puppy.
You like that puppy shirt?
What, Mama? Puppy. Puppy.
You like that shirt?
Mama, let's do puppy.
Look. Caleb, huh?
What's that, Mama?
Look at that. What is it?
Paddington Thomas. Cool.
There's Thomas.
Thomas. Thomas Edward Steve J.
Right. And
Mama Queen. That's fun.
Night Night Queen and his friend. Very good. That's it. Oh, we gotta get the stocking. Look at your sock. Okay, look inside. What's in there?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, there's more in there.
Look, Mama, pickles.
Pickles? Look at this.
Wow.
Look at that. That's a little one like the big one you had earlier that you played with, right?